guys, it's Carla. Welcome back to my channel. Before I even start this video, I just want to mention something super quick. I got lip fillers done a little bit over 2 weeks ago, and once they finally settled and they look exactly how I wanted them to look, I was like, I want a little bit more. So I actually went in to get just a tiny bit more. And no, this is not how it's going to look. Right now my lips are bruised, just like a very tiny bit right here, but they are extremely swollen and it looks like very like and ducky. So this is not how they are going to look. I'm sure you guys don't even care, but I just wanted to mention it super quick before I started the video. Don't focus on this, okay? This is gonna go away. But anyways, for today's video, I have a designer stip video. You guys love these videos. I love making these videos because who the heck does not want to look bougie on a budget? And before I even start the video, you guys know when something is sent out to me for free, I tell you right away. Some people care, some people don't, but I still let you know anyway. So for this video, I am working with a company called BUYLOVED. So they did reach out to me and they sent me this item for free. I have a coupon code with them as well. I'll leave here on the screen. And I don't even want to tell you how excited I am because I feel like every single time I make those kinds of videos, I'm like, oh my god, I am so excited. But I really am so excited about this item in particular because I feel like I also say this a lot too. My mom has this item, okay? She has this pair of shoes. What am I even talking about? I am talking about the Dior high top sneakers, and I have actually borrowed her shoes a few times and wore them. And mind you, I am half a size bigger than she is, okay? So whenever I wore those shoes, I was in little pain, but I didn't care because I love them so much. But anyways, I saw that they had it on the website and I was like, you know, I have to have them. These shoes right here retail for $1,200 on Dior's website. And I'm not even gonna sit here and tell you that I don't have designer shoes, but I can tell you that I don't have $1,200 designer shoes, okay? So let's start off with the box. Phenomenal. I don't care about the box. You guys know I really don't care about the box, but if you are someone who does, this box is so freaking good. They even have like the cutout here that says the size and whatnot, and I think it looks so nice. So the first thing when you open it up is the little Dior dust bag. Well, it's not little, it's like pretty big. And off the bat, it looks super good. The material is also very nice and like nice thick quality. One thing I do want to point out though, if you ever bought authentic designer shoes, you would know that it comes with 2 dust bags, so basically 1 per shoe. And this one right here only came with 1 dust bag. And another thing your girl does not care about, but I know some of you do, is it does come with a Dior bag as well. And I'm actually very impressed by the quality of this bag. It is so nice and thick. So again, things like the box, the bag, the dust bag are just such great add-ons to have. It's not what I'm looking after. Like, you guys know I only care about the item in general. Like, I don't really care about the extras, but it is so nice when companies like this include all of the extra stuff to give you like the whole experience. And then inside of it, it's also wrapped up with this very thick paper that says Dior. This is like the cutest thing. Okay, this is not what the video is about, okay? This is not it, but I don't even know what this is. Is this to put on like probably like a keychain or something? This is so freaking cute. I'll give you guys close-ups. Again, this is not like the item, but it is so cute. It's basically a bee, and then on the back of it, it says Dior. This is adorable. But what we're all here for are these shoes right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already opened it, but this was like a genuine reaction because I did not see that until like really right now. But the shoes, you guys know that your girl is picky, and I'm someone that literally goes with like a magnifying glass and starts like looking at every single thing, because if I'm gonna sit here and recommend something to you guys, you best believe that it's gonna be like it. So this right here are the shoes. I'll put them both like this. And they look so freaking good. Again, I'm not new to this. My mom has them, so I already know how they're like supposed to look and supposed to feel, minus the fact that these are, you know, high top. But they look so freaking good. They got every single detail, the stitching, the Dior, the color right here being a little bit more like beigey. And you guys know, as always, I'll give you close-up of the shoes. I'll put me wearing them, and I'll put me wearing them and like everything. Now, one thing I have not done is try these shoes on. And the last pair of shoes that I got online did not fit me. They were too tight. You guys know I have like a weird ass size. I did get this in a size 39, and I am usually a little bit more than a US 7, but a little bit less than a 7.5. So I am so anxious to try this on. And I don't know what is it about me that I always think like the worst. I'm always like, it's not gonna fit me, it's not gonna work out. Like, call it trauma if you will, okay? But I'm always like thinking that way. So I really do want to try these on and see if they fit. Ah, they fit! I'm obviously going to do a better try on portion and put it for you guys, but they definitely fit and they feel so freaking comfy. I do have a little bit of room, but it doesn't bother me. In fact, I'd rather have my shoes, my everything, okay, my clothing, my shoes, my everything be a little bit bigger so I'm not like suffocating and it's not hurting and it's not uncomfortable. So these shoes are just a tiny bit bigger, so if you are like a solid 7.5, this would definitely still be good for you. I just cannot get over the fact on how amazing they look. They also feel like really nice and heavy, and not like, oh my god, this is so heavy, but you know, sometimes like when something is not authentic, it's like feather light and you're like, you can tell like just by touching it, you're like, okay, this is so fake, this is not it. This is very nice and sturdy. I am literally so obsessed. Another thing that I see in the box are extra shoelaces, and I can appreciate this more than you would ever know because I am like a dirty ass person when it comes to wearing white shoes. I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is. But every single time that I wear a pair of white shoes, I come back home and they're black. I don't know. I really don't know what it is. But I cannot maintain white shoes white for some reason, and especially the shoelaces. So even if the shoes survive, my shoelaces are like all kinds of gross. So I definitely appreciate that they included extra shoelaces. I think that's awesome. I personally cannot wait to wear the shoes right here. The way I would probably wear them is one of two ways. So I envision something like this with like chunky mom jeans and like a very tiny crop top, but I'm talking about like a tube top, like very tiny. I think this will look so hot. But also, and I don't think I'm gonna do it like this when I do the try on portion, but I definitely think that this with a nice dress will look so freaking hot. But the chances of me putting on a dress and showing it to you guys are very slim to none because one, I'm white and I don't feel like self-tanning, I don't feel like shaving, and I don't think I have the perfect dress for this just yet. And just to give you guys a little bit more information about the company, they ship via FedEx, and I believe the entire process took about a week and a half. So this company also sends pictures of the item. So basically before they ship out the item, she contacted me via Instagram and she sent me photos of the shoes, and she sent me photos of like every angle of the shoe. So like the front, the back, the sides, the bottom of the shoe, the inside, everything. And then once I went through the photos and I approved, then she actually shipped the item. So I think that is like phenomenal, because when websites do something like that, you have reassurance that you're gonna get exactly what you're paying for and exactly what you want. And another thing I want to talk about this company in particular is how amazing they are with communication. I get really lucky when companies reach out to me. I feel like the back and forth conversations are very, you know, fast and whatnot, but this company right here is out of this world. And what I do know is, don't quote me on it, but I think when it's like daytime here, it's like nighttime where they are. And no matter what time I ever wrote to them or I replied to their messages, the lady messaged me back right away. I think that's amazing, because if you guys have any questions of any items, you'll get a response so quick. So again, the entire process, so me picking an item, them sending me photos of the item, you know, all angles, me approving, them shipping it, and me receiving the items, all of it took less than 2 weeks. I believe it was like a week and a half. So I cannot recommend this company enough. If you don't like Dior or high top shoes, they have so many shoes to go through and so many different brands to choose from. And the price range of their shoes are also very good. And remember, I do have a coupon code with them. I'll put it on the screen, but I'll also leave all of their information in the description down below. That's it for this video. If you are new and you enjoy videos like this, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.